to my channel. Today we're going to unbox some mystery bags from the store Normal, or Normal as we say in Sweden. This is a store who they have skincare, hair products, makeup, home things, just a lot of shit. And today we went to one of these stores. I think they started in Denmark and then they expand to Norway, Sweden, how the f do you say that? Netherlands, France, and their vision is to expand to more countries in Europe. So yeah, they have stores in a couple of countries. And we have a lot of them in Sweden, so you can buy really cheap stuff there. And when I went to the store today, I found these mystery bags and they were 78 crowns, so $7-ish. So you have a little hole here where you can peek, and I can see a toothbrush. So I don't have big hopes for these, but I thought it would be a fun video to just buy 2 of them and unbox them. I hope they're not the same, but they feel different. They had more and some were heavier than others, so I think at least some of the products aren't the same. So I think we will start with this toothbrush thing and just begin with the disappointment. Let's open. Okay, so we have the toothbrush, the first product. At least we have a good brand. It's the Jordan Medium. I prefer the soft ones, but it's okay. Always good to have when you're going on vacation or something. Really boring stuff to buy, so just good to have. Okay, next product. Something for the tattoos. Boost Tattoo Care Patch. Hydrogel Patch. Exfoliating effect. 4 sheets. What is this? So it's some kind of band-aid, and it cares your tattoos. It gives them some new life, and your color will be more intense on your tattoos. So weird. Never seen this. I'm lucky I'm having tattoos. Not everyone have that, so a bit risky to put this in the mystery bag, but okay. Fun. And 4 sheets, that's good. Next product. Okay. Just a card you can give to someone on their birthday or something. Not really a fun one. A little cactus. Good to have. It's just those very weird and just shitty stuff you supposed to have home, but you're not really buying them. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it sometime. Next product. What? Okay, so this is a LED charger, light up USB charger, 8 LED. Is it some kind of what? For your iPhone? Okay, so okay, what the f is this? I'm so confused. What is this? What? So in one end we have a iPhone charger and a USB in the other end. What? Can we put it in my phone? Okay, nothing is happening. Something is supposed to happen. I'm going to get a adapter. Okay, so I just grabbed a regular adapter, putting one end. Oh, what the f in that one? One end in the adapter and one in the phone. Let's put it in the wall. Oh, so it actually works, and it's charging my phone at the same time. That's so weird. Why would you need this? Who wants to light up their charger while they're charging the... That's just so weird. It just... If it's lighting up the stars and at the same time charging your phone, it feels like it's going to go very slow. Like the stars take all the battery, or... Yeah, you know. But I don't know. Well, that's very, very, very weird. This is actually fun. Oh, more of these. And it feels like we have, oh, even more. So we have 4 of these cards. Would be fun with another color, maybe. Is this, yeah, some wipes. Face and hand soft wipes, perfume free from Natusan Baby. These are actually good to have, especially now when you want to clean your hands as much as possible. And yeah, good and nice size, so you can put it in your handbag. Oh, ho ho! Next product, some razor blades. These are actually expensive. Gillette Fusion Pro Shield, 4 of them. Okay, do we get a razor as well, or are you just supposed to... Oh, more toothbrushes. Couldn't they just, I don't know, mix it up a bit? Well, a lot of toothbrushes. At least these 2 were soft. We like that. This is just, oh, 1 left. Okay. The last product in this bag was... What is this? Beauty Farm Sensitive. So what is that? So it's a lip balm, I think. Well, 2 lip balms. Yeah. Beauty Farm. I never heard of that. Yeah, just a regular balm. Always good to have. So, what did we get? 4 toothbrushes, 2 lip balms, some wipes, some razor blades. Those are good to have. I think these are at least $5 or something. And the toothbrushes maybe $2 each. Lip balm $2. Wipes $1. The weird tattoo patches, probably expensive. At least we get what we bought a bag for. And of course, my weird charger. That's just so weird. I pray to God that bag number 2 isn't the same, because that's just boring. So let's open. Okay, no, we have other stuff. What is this? Okay, snag-free hair elastics. Is that hairbands or something? That's just weird. Are these for your hair? I guess they are. Okay. I'm happy it's not the same, so that's good. Glides off your hair when removed. Strong and durable. Use over and over again. Great for versatile hairstyles. Snag-free hair elastics from Blacks. Okay, fun. And more hair elastics. But what? Okay, these are... how weird are these? Oh my god, they're so weird. They're like plastic or like rubber. Yeah, it's rubber, and a lot of them. I have to try those. Fun. Oh, I love this box more, or bag. And more lip balms, because we need that. Yeah. Okay. More of these. I mean, couldn't they mix it a bit more? A red one, maybe for Christmas or something. But these are really popular now. So, okay, it's fine. No, what is this? Is see one more of these. Ah! So more of these tattoo patches. But these were not really the same. They look different. So this is Boo's tattoo care patch, and this is my new tattoo care patch. Is this when you just made your tattoo? When you've just done a tattoo, you can put this on. And this is for your tattoos after you had them for a while. This is actually fun. I will definitely try it out if I do more tattoos, which I will probably do. Good. And is this also... Yeah, okay. So one more of these. I guess I just have to give this to my mom or something. Okay. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Makeup sponges. Okay, that's fun. Makeup sponge set. Professional makeup artist sponges. So this little guy. And 2 of these. Okay, it feels a bit hard, and we'll see how it looks when I wetten it with some water. Fun. First makeup thing. No, seriously, more toothbrushes. What the ah, please, no more. No more toothbrushes. Okay, so is this some pencils or what? 10-piece math set. One of these. And some of these. A bunch of them. One more. Very small pencil. It almost looked used. Oh! One of these. That's interesting. An eraser, and yes, you can sharpen the pen. Okay, that's actually something you can find useful sometimes. Some tampons. Tampons with applicator? What is that? Never seen before. Is this the tampons you see in like movies? I think you have them in the US. That's not how our tampons look. That's so weird. Okay, I need to check this. I'm sorry. I never seen this in my life. What? Do you like... Oh. That's so weird. My god, I've never seen that. Why do you have that? Is it hard to put it up, or... That looks so weird. I wouldn't put this up my vagina. It looks so cheap. My god. That's just so weird. Okay, if you're from another country than Sweden, please tell me, do you have these stuff? Do you put these up your vagina? I wouldn't. Let me just go and grab a tampon we have here. I love how these turned out to be some kind of sex education or biology lesson. So this is how our tampons look like. And this is your weird tampons. So you like shoot it up into your vagina, and we just take this, twist, take this out, and then pew, put it up into your vagina. And you can see the oh my god, I'm reviewing tampons. This is how regular tampons look like. You see the quality. And then you see this one. I wouldn't put this up my vagina. No. Is this something people use? Now I'm curious. They're so weird. Do we have more stuff? No. No. Okay, so the last thing is more of these cards. And 5 of them. Just a lot of cards. A lot of these patches. And also a lot of lip balms. A lot of toothbrushes. Tampons, some hair ties, some makeup sponges, some pencils and math things, razor blades, wipes, star charger. Yeah, this is so damn weird. Okay, I wish I bought more of these because this was actually fun. It's so educational, apparently, to open these boxes and learn about people's tampons. Yeah, that's just so weird. I don't know what to do with these stuff. That's everything for this video. It's a very weird video, I know, but I love these unboxings, so I thought I just had to buy them when I saw them. And this was actually fun, and I mean, it's just $7-8, so maybe it's not really important to buy these, but you know, this is my hobby, to just buy stuff. It's an addiction, but it makes me happy, so I don't care. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you don't want to miss my future videos, you can click on the bell and turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!